Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my landscaping staples. So these are usually meant when you're putting in new fabric. So if you're putting in or anti-weed fabric and stuff like that, this will hold them down. So this is what they look like. I think this is a 60 pack here. Yeah, it looks like we got something around that. I don't know exactly where it is, but these are really nice for holding down weed fabric, but also I'll show you guys what I'm using them for. So today I am actually using these to hold down my water here. So these will be placed here, and what I'll do is I'll put them all around here, and those will be used to kind of keep down my pipe here. But what you mainly use them for is if I'm putting an anti-weed layer on top of here, I can put that under here, and then I use those staples to keep it in the ground so that the weeds won't grow up and that the layer on top of there will stay down. So that's what they're usually used for, but I mean, you can use it for whatever you want it for. They're nice little staples. And let me pull this out here. So this is it. I mean, it's it's deep, it's probably 4 inches deep if you need to get it way in there, and you could just put them all the way down, and that'll be perfect for holding it up, for holding it down. So this is perfect. I like these, and I think they're perfect and they work well.